So this is a Costco branded J8 self-cleaning iRobot. And the intermittent issue that I found with this guy is, let's get the lighting here a bit better. Is that the right contact, see if I can zoom in on this. Well, there's the left contact, and if you press the left contact down with your finger, it goes in and out easily. But the right contact kind of stuck in the down position. In other words, it's not rising up high enough to meet the contacts on the Roomba itself. This guy down here. So, while I did call Roomba, they're going to call me back, but in the meantime, in order to get a charge going, I took a 2-cent washer. I just placed it on top, and I might, well, depending on what Roomba does, if they replace the base, obviously that's great. But I just placed that on top. It's obviously conductive. It's a ferrous washer, and in order to seat it correctly, I kind of gently lift it up with my hand, lifted up the robot, lined it up here, and kind of lifted it all the way in there, released, and sure enough, it makes contact. Now, is that a good solution? No. It's not a long-term solution? No. But would it work? It's a kludge? Yes. I at least figured out what it is. I watched someone take this entire unit apart to replace it. It looked like it took an hour of that guy's work. And it was very fine. He spent some money on actually finding the replacement part on eBay. And I chose not to do that. I might even try to take it back to the Costco to get it replaced. It is over a year old, but sometimes they're good at that. Anyway, hope that helps a little bit. At least explains why it's not charging sometimes.